Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to upload a gift card design. Upload digital gift card designs to personalize your business when customers buy them in-house or from your Vagaro listing page. Let's learn how to add our personalized gift card designs to Vagaro. From the calendar, hover over Settings and select All Settings. Under Look and Feel, select Design Gift Cards. We can either drag our design file into the gift card image box or upload an image from our computer. Select Gift Card Image and choose a file from your computer. Adjust your font color using pre-selected colors or enter a specific hex code to better match your business's look and feel. Once you've finished, select Save. Now, when you're selling a digital gift card at checkout, you can use your uploaded design to send over to your customers. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.